What's up people, welcome back to Ordinary E. Welcome to my PlayStation. I got this PlayStation about 3.5 years now. I think it was May 21. Yeah, about 3.5 years. I've never cleaned it. So in this video we are going to clean it the easy way and just take a look at that. That's disgusting. Totally blocked on one side. So yeah, 3.5 years. Time to clean your PlayStation, I guess. Okay people, I've never done this before, not quite sure where to start. I'm going to start at the front and just clean the top. Easy enough. Flip it around and do the bottom. Mr. Muscle is your friend. Okay, after we're done cleaning, we do have a few little upgrades to do. They're not really upgrades, they're just decals and some protective covering plugs, I guess. Butt plugs? No, just plugs. And also a decal for the front face, which is carbon fiber, which I kind of liked, so I'm going to do that as well. Alright, starting with the easy method of what a basic clean I think Sony recommend to do. We're just going to take off the face plates and see what's going on. So to do that, you just got to lift up one side and pull towards you. I believe, might be this side. Yeah, so just pull up one side. Alright, let's see. Holy cow guys, oh that is disgusting. No, that's terrible. Alright, not too bad inside though, but so it's like captures are all there, so maybe we won't have to go too deep. So we'll just do the basic clean for now and see. So we're going to hoover this bit up. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. Now we're going to clean this as well. We can spray this, just plastic. Okay, so far so good. That's pretty easy to do. Now for this, I think I'm just going to hoover up first. Okay, so we managed to get all that off actually, so that's not too bad. Down the side here, absolutely no dust at all. So that's pretty good. So it was all on the front face. Now I believe these come off because we want to get to this fan as well and get that out. So you pull up in the middle here, I believe. Yeah, it should come out nice and easy. That's pretty clean already guys, so yeah, good job on that. That actually looks pretty clean. So we won't have to go deeper, I don't believe. Give it a quick once over with a microfiber cloth that's dry, no wetness here. Let's double check this. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, actually I'm pretty happy with that. So we don't have to do anything more with that. Right, now for the fan, connection seems to go under this piece or whatever that is. Looks like we've got to take this shroud off. So we've got 4 screws, got some stars on those screws. So I'm going for, I don't know what number that is. It says CRV T8. Works perfect. Oh, all these screws are different sizes, so make sure. Look, so far there's 3 different sizes there. Yeah, and that one's even smaller. So I've put them in the orientation they came out of, so I know. And that should come off now. Yeah, perfect. We'll give that a clean as well. There's our first look at the fan. Yeah, pretty disgusting. Okay. Okay, can't actually get to the fan, so I'm going to have to disconnect it. Looks like the wires go underneath this little shroud piece. Let's see if we can get that up. Oh, it's just stuck. It's just sticky. That's terrible. Alright, we've got some more dust a little bit there. Okay, yeah, so the fan connects straight into this little piece here. Alright, just going to hold the 3 wires, give it a wiggle left and right and pull up. Yeah, easy. Now the fan should come out. Yes. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, it's all over the board, circuit board. We'll try and hoover up as much as we can. Okay, we managed to hoover up. The circuit board looks pretty clean now. Don't know how we're going to get to all of that side. Oh man, I'm going to need like a, oh dear. This is going to be an onerous task. So probably a Q-tip, and I'm going to have to go around every fin and just clean it with some alcohol and see if we can get some of this off now. Alright, let's move this to the side. Oh, there's more dust all in here. Oh man. Okay, so far I know we're using the Hoover and it can build up some static electricity, but we're just using it on, oh dear, we're just using it on plastic at the moment, so it should be fine. We did manage to see some heatsink in there. I'll get that on camera for you, but no, I can't. Yeah, so there's a bit of heatsink there and that's all clogged up, so I managed to get that cleared. So far we've got that cleaned up a bit, but we will go in here with some microfiber cloth and just try and loosen that up and hoover that up. But yeah, so far it's just all plastic at the minute, so don't worry about static electricity from your Hoover. But even if you use, I think these bristles here are not conductive anyway. Alright, we've got a big job with the fan, so let's go through this with Q-tips and just try and get this all cleaned up. So I'm just going to use some alcohol so we don't keep any moisture on the fan. I'm going to use some earbuds or Q-tips. Why are they called Q-tip? Anyway, earbuds is what we call them in the UK, and we're just going to try and get as much of this dust out as we can. It's everywhere. Okay guys, fan is looking a lot better, but you will go through a bunch of earbuds, so make sure you get a whole new pack. You're going to need them all. Now let's clear this bit, flip this around and do the other side. Okay, so just going to flip this around. I believe you want to go from the logo side on this one, pull up and towards you. Yeah, and yeah, same stuff. Ugh. It's disgusting. This is actually worse. I think there's actually a new species I've grown here. I might have to name the new species of dust. Alright, same thing, hoover up, give it a quick clean. That's handy. It's got an outline of the P, so I know where to put the sticker. Okay, same thing for this. I'm going to use Mr. Muscle on the plastics. This side is actually worse. Okay, that's come up pretty good. So yeah, happy with that. Let's let that dry. Now we can tackle this one. Alright, yeah, same thing. We'll pull this up from the middle. Yeah. Move this up. So that's all the dust we've collected so far. That's come up okay, so we're good with that. Now PlayStation say that this hole here, you need to put a vacuum over it and it should suck up more dust. Maybe this hole here. So these two holes. I don't know if you block one, do that, and then block that and do that. Well, we'll give it a go and see how much comes out, if any. Okay, I'm not sure if we got anything out of those holes, but we did that. I'm not quite confident enough to start taking all of this apart to get down into the heatsink, so I think we're going to just leave it there for now. I think we've cleaned it up quite a bit. You can see some of it here, so you could probably get to some of it here. So let's just do that. And that is it guys, that is the easy method of cleaning your PlayStation. When I get a bit more confident, then maybe we will take all of this off and get down right inside to the heat sinks, because they are getting blocked. Maybe if you clean your PlayStation more often than I have, that will be less of an issue, but for now that'll do. Right, let's move on to our first little upgrade. Not really an upgrade, so this is more of a protection measure that I bought these little plugs. Now luckily for me, the holes are not clogged up with anything, so we use the internet port, so we're going to leave that, and we use the HDMI port, so we leave that. But these two ports I never use, so let's plug those up. These are the USB ports, so you just get a little cap like that. It should go on there. So that's going to protect it from dust and future dust and having to clean those. Do get HDMI, LAN, Thunderbolt, some more USBs, and a little, probably a headphone one there. I'll put a link in the description to all the stuff I'm using. But yeah, that should protect those. We use those ports, so we don't need to protect those. What else is there? On the front, there's a USB-C, which I don't really use. I use the USB. Did they give us USB-C? Yes, they did. So we could plug that one up as well, so that we don't have any worry about dust going in there. But before we do that, we have another decal that we can use. It's going to be PlayStation, the P on the PlayStation, so you can see the outline of the P there. Let's give that a clean up. That's a nice clean surface, so that we know we'll give the best chance these stickers to stick. Now what would you go for? We've got like a purple cosmic, more purple cosmic, different variations of purple cosmic. We've got like the original PlayStation type P, and we've got some designer type with loads of writing, and we've just got an outline. I think I'm going to go with the original PlayStation. Hey Alexa, which sticker would you choose?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alright, so it's down to us guys. What one would you choose? I'm going to go for this one. Alexa can't help me with that decision. You've not really helped me much, have you? Okay, let's stick this on. Alright, now the last upgrade we've got are these decals, so they go along the front. Okay, so this goes on the front, and then this bit will wrap around further around the back. Yeah, so we need to clean this again with alcohol. There is a USB indicator there, so I'm not sure if the decal is going to stick well to that, but let's try it anyway. Alright, we've cleaned it up. Ooh, nice carbon fibre. Actually, let's start from the holes. Okay, we've got that one on. Yeah, I recommend starting from the buttons so that you know that they still press, and then it should line up after a little bit of finagling. Okay, that's the first one done. We can put our plug on there, keep that button nice and safe. I do use this one, so leave that one alone. Actually, I might plug it into the back. So we're going to use the back one, and then we don't need this one. So let's do that. There we go. So that's nice and protected now from dust. Now let's do this top bit. We want this to line up exact. And that's it guys, that's the carbon fibre skin on. Shame it isn't one piece, because you can see a little line here, right? You can see that. Well, that's a shame, but it's the best we're going to get it. That should help protect your shiny surface there, right? So that's that done. Alright, let's put this thing back together. So someone in the comments wanted me to test the Mortal Kombat game, so we're going to do that now. We're also going to pick a winner for some Hall effects, the V5 Hall effects, because why not? There isn't a requirement or an activation for those, and I feel like giving a pair of those away. So whoever has been commenting on the last video that I did, which was the PC video I believe, right, then you're in with a chance. If not, if you don't claim it, we'll re-roll it, and if you haven't commented, you're not in. Right, let's clean this bit up. I think we're good here. Where did that plastic thing go? Yeah, I don't know what this is, but that's terrible. Come on man, you could have done something better with that. Like a clip-on piece. Why is it all just like a sticky back? Ugh. Right, don't forget to put that on. We need the fan. Where is the fan? Here is the fan. So put that in with the wire facing up again. Plug it in one way, don't force anything, all very simply puts back together, and clip the wire underneath the little hook there. Then I believe we can just put this back on, right? And yeah, there must be a better way. Cleaning fans, even on the PC and on this, are an absolute nightmare. There must be a better way someone can invent to sort of move air without having to always keep cleaning these fans. They are the most difficult thing to clean as well. Okay, that's on. We don't need this anymore. Oh look, carbon fibre stickers. We can probably figure out a way to use those. We need one of these back on, so I'm going to put one side in first, probably not that one, and then push down. So put either side in first. Looks like this side goes in better than this side, and then push down. So that's good. Turn it around. Got a nice little decal showing there. Same thing, let's put one side in, then the other side, and then push down the middle. Good stuff. What's next? We have the... Oh, we didn't put the screws in for the fan. Damn it. Let me take that off again. Alright, here's our screws for the fan. So we know in the same orientation, this one goes here, this one goes here, this one goes here, this little one goes here. Okay, now we can put this back in. Let's see if we can get this back on. Yeah, so put it on a bit to the right and then just push it up and in. That should be that. And now this side. Oh no, I messed up again. I didn't put this on. Damn it. Alright, let's try that again. This cowl has a little piece here, so you know which way it goes for the cable, and it also has a hole here which slots over that little nubbin, and a little nubbin here. Now we can button it up again. We're going to see what this logo looks through here. Ooh, Oh yeah, it looks pretty nice. What do you think, guys? And that is it, guys. So we've got our nice carbon fiber decal, we've got our protective plugs, and we've got our coloured logo. Okay, let's go and power it on, see if it still works. We only took the fan off, so I believe it still works. And we did a bit of a cleaning. That's it, that's your easy clean. I'm not going to do the hard clean where we go deep into the system because I'm not quite confident yet, but we will do that one day. Alright, 2 things left to do. Pick a winner for a pair of Hall effects and test out MK11 because somebody wanted to see that. Let's go and do that. Okay guys, it's time to pick the winner of the Hall effects. Plus I'm going to re-roll the keyboard as the person who won last time has not claimed it. So the first one's going to be for the Hall effects and the second winner is going to be for a keyboard. So this is the last video here. If you've commented on it, only 38 views, so I don't think there's going to be very many comments. But this is how you enter. Go to the last video, comment on the video. Take the link, take the URL code, I think that is. Comment picker, paste it here, fetch the comments, anything goes. 3 comments, guys. This is terrible. I'm giving away all this stuff and only 3 people are entering. Alright, so pick the winner for a pair of Hall effects is Coyote. You've learned a lot on your journey. Best way to learn IMO. Thank you so much, Coyote. Well done. You've won a pair of Hall effects. Okay, the next winner is for keyboard only. So same link, can't be the same winner. So pick again, and that's me. So I commented on my own video. So let's pick another video winner, and this one is IBI12347. Love to see your enthusiasm about PCs, man. Keep it up. Well done. You've won a keyboard and mouse, I believe, or just a keyboard. I can't remember which is in the pack. Whatever it is. So all you got to do now, guys, is you go to my YouTube channel. There's my Instagram link. Message me on Instagram to keep all your personal details private, and we'll speak there. Now I'm going to go and leave you with some gameplay. There we have it, guys. So I wish I'd cleaned my PS5 earlier. It is very much more quieter. So definitely clean your PS5. Don't leave it for 3.5 years like I did. Do it maybe every 6 months. Do it 3 months. But yeah, definitely clean your PS5. It will be quieter, even with just the easy clean that I did. If you want me to do a deeper clean, let me know in the comments. Also, shout out to Coyote. You've got a pair of Hall effects. And shout out to IB12347, was it? You've got this Compoint wireless keyboard and mouse. And that'll be it. I appreciate you. If you like this video or you took anything from this video, it would be awesome if you subscribed, and don't forget to enter all the competitions. Just leave comments on the videos. Definitely this video for another keyboard chance, and I'll see you on the next video. Alexa, say goodbye.
Goodbye.